Hare Krishna. My name is Gaurang. My topic is Lord Chaitanya's discussion with Sri Venkata Bhatta. As we all know that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu during his South India Yatra arrived at Sri Rangashetra. After bathing in river Kaveri, the Lord saw the temple of Ranganath. For some time the Lord chanted and danced ecstatically in the temple. Then a Brahmana named Venkata Bhatta, who belonged to the Ramanuja Sampradaya, invited Mahaprabhu to his home with great respect. He had a brother named Shripad Prabodhananda Saraswati and a son who later on came to be known as Gopal Bhatta Goswami. After taking Mahaprabhu to his house, Venkata Bhatta washed his lotus feet and then he and his family members drank the water. After taking prasadam, Venkata Bhatta requested Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that since the period of Chaturmasya has commenced, please be kind upon me and remain at my house. We want to listen to Lord Krishna's pastime and thus I request you to deliver me by your mercy. Accepting his request, Mahaprabhu stayed at his residence continuously for 4 months. Every day the Lord bathed in the river Kaveri and would chant and dance in the temple of Sri Ranga. Everyone got the opportunity of witnessing the beauty of the Lord's body and his ecstatic manifestations of love of God. As soon as they saw the Lord, all of their unhappiness vanished. Thousands of people came from various countries to see the Lord, and after doing so, they all chanted the Hare Krishna Mahamantra and became Lord Krishna's devotees. All of the Brahmana Vaishnavas of Sri Rangashetra invited the Lord to their homes. While staying at Venkata Bhatta's house, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu passed his time very happily by enjoying the transcendental mellow of discussing Krishna Katha. As Venkata Bhatta belonged to the Ramanuja Sampradaya, he was a worshipper of Lakshmi Narayana. Once Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that your goddess of fortune Lakshmi Devi always remains on the chest of Lord Narayana, so she is certainly the most chaste woman in the creation. On the other hand, my Lord is Sri Krishna, who is engaged in tending cows. So why is it that Lakshmi Devi, being such a chaste wife, wants to associate with my Lord? भट्ट कहे कृष्ण नारायण एक ईश्वरूप कृष्ण ते अधिक लीला वैदग्ध्या ही रूप. Venkata Bhatta replied that Lord Krishna and Lord Narayana are one and the same, but the pastimes of Krishna are more relishable due to their sportive nature. Therefore, Lakshmi Devi's desire to associate with Lord Krishna does not break her vow of chastity. In the Madhya Leela of Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita chapter 9, verse 113, it is said that ei lagi sukha bhoga chadi chira kala vrata niyama kari tapa karila para. It means that just to associate with Krishna, Lakshmi abandoned all transcendental happiness in Vaikuntha and for a long time accepted vows and regulative principles and performed unlimited austerities. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that I know that there is no fault on the part of Lakshmi Devi, but still she was not able to enter the rasa dance. Venkata Bhatta replied that since I am an ordinary human being, my intelligence is very limited. I cannot enter within the deep ocean of the pastimes of the Lord and ascertain such mysterious behavior. You are the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna Himself, and thus you know the purpose of your activities. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that the specific characteristic of Lord Chaitanya is that he attracts everyone's heart by the mellow of his conjugal love. In Goloka Vrindavan, nobody knows that he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. They keep different relationships with him, as a son, as a friend, as a lover, and as siblings. Someone else accepts Krishna as an intimate friend and after gaining victory over him, playfully climbs onto his shoulders. One who worships Krishna by following in the footsteps of the inhabitants of Brajabhumi can attain the transcendental realm of Golok Vrindavan, but not those who worship the Lord in the rust of opulence. The Shruti Gana worshipped Krishna in the ecstasy of the gopis while following in their footsteps, and after doing so, they were born in Brajbhumi, accepting the form of gopis. Only in those bodies were they allowed to enter in the Lord's Ras Leela. On the other hand, the goddess of fortune Lakshmi wanted to enjoy Krishna's association and at the same time retain her spiritual form of opulence. Till now, Venkata Bhatta thought that Narayan was the original Supreme Personality of Godhead, as per the teachings of Sri Ramanujacharya. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu understood his misconception and said, "Please do not continue doubting. Lord Krishna is the original Supreme Personality of Godhead, and this is the conclusion of the Vedic literatures, while Lord Narayana is the opulent form of Lord Krishna, and thus he attracts the goddess of fortune and her followers. Since Krishna possesses extraordinary qualities which are not found in Narayana, Lakshmi Devi always desires his association as well. Before concluding my topic, I would also like to mention about Venkata Bhatta's son Gopal Bhatta Goswami. When he was with the Lord or when he was with his family members, he tried to somehow or other appear composed and rendered nice service. But whenever he was alone, he would lament, he would weep bitterly, and he would begin to pray, why was Providence so cruel? Why did I have to take birth in such a faraway place where I could not see the beautiful pastimes of the Lord in Navadvip, where he was with his eternal consort and he was showing his pastime of the supreme enjoyer amongst his most intimate devotees, chanting the holy name of the Lord. One night, Gopal Bhatta had a dream, a wonderful dream, where he was actually in Navadvip. Lord Chaitanya was strolling down the streets along with Gopal Bhatta and amongst his other associates. Nityanand Prabhu and Advaita Prabhu, they very lovingly embraced little Gopala and they began to tell him something very confidentially. As they were about to speak, Gopal woke up and in great haste the boy ran to where Lord Chaitanya was present and fell at Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's feet. Lord Chaitanya was sitting there with his shaved head, with his saffron robes. But in order to fulfill the desire of his devotee, right before Gopal Bhatta's own eyes, the Lord transformed into a cowherd boy with a beautiful, beautiful bluish complexion, like that of a newly formed monsoon cloud. So from this time, Gopal Bhatta, with all of his desires fulfilled, continued to serve the Lord. Gauranga!